girl. We got bottom and lower going. Push. Push. That's it. Play me a tune. Oh, I love it. That's it. Harder. Yeah. Oh, very good. Quite a good harmony. Play. Play it. Play me a tune. Okay. Oh, very good. Very good. Play it. Can you play me a tune? That's a sharp. Can you play a sharp? Yeah? Can you play that?
A little Mozart.
Now she knows how to get the sound out of it.
Hey, Beethoven.
Who is that? Good girl. Look here. Who's that?
Hey, Beethoven.
Oh, that was good. Yes. C sharp.
You're such a good girl. You was playing the piano? You was playing the piano? Yeah. Good girl. Say bye.
Say bye-bye.